Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners. Today we will learn how to constrain the sketches in Autodesk Inventor. So what is meant by constraining the sketches? The constraining means locking all the degree of freedoms for the sketches. So let us understand how to constrain the sketches. So I will start a to this sketch on the top plane. So let us create one circle over here. You can see there is a green circle with a green origin. Okay, so now it is, if we select this and drag this circle, it will move. So that means it is not a fully constrained sketch. Okay, so let us apply some dimensions. Just select the dimension and apply for this. So let's say 10 diameter, and now I will give the dimension for this origin. Okay, center. So let us select the center and then the origin, and then right click on it and then provide a horizontal dimension. So let's say it is again a 10. Then similarly select this center and then click on it. Let's say 20 Now you can see here the circle turn into dark blue color. So that means it is fully constrained. Now if we select the sketch and sorry if we select this circle and sorry I will just escape this dimension. Now if you select this circle and if I move this, it will not move, it will not move. So it means it is fully constrained now. Similarly I will draw one line here. I will provide a dimensions to the line. Let's say the length, I will provide a align length. Let's say 12 Now you can see here, you can, if you drag this line, you can move this. So now I want to give a dimension to this points here, end points here, and this point, or you can provide an angle here. You can provide a line dimension too. I will just provide the dimension to this point here. Let's say 8. Now one more dimension I need to provide is from this point to this point. Just I will provide a horizontal dimension. So this will be here, the vertical. Just provide this. Now it is turned into blue. Now I will draw one rectangle here. Similarly for rectangle I need to provide this length, then the width, and the constraint from this origin. Just provide this and this. Now you can see it is turned into the dark blue. I will draw one circle over here. Just provide a dimension to this circle as it is. Now here there are some constraints available here. So now I will create a tangent constraint. Select this and this line. So now you can see here the new constraint is created, that is a tangent. and now I need to provide one dimension. You can see it is turned into dark blue. Create one line, and you can see here it is taking some automatic constraint. You can see here the tangency constraint is showing there, and that is fully constrained. Just trim this. I'll create one more line from here. Just click over there, and then it will create a tangency constraint. Similarly, I will trim this too. So in this way you can create constraint sketches. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.